Hi friends, welcome to the S3 Cloud Hub channel. In this video we are going to see verification and validation. Without any further ado, let's start the session. Firstly, we see standard definitions. Validation and verification. According to IEEE Standard 610, verification as software evaluation process determines whether the products the given development phase will satisfy conditions set at the beginning that the verification phase. Validation is a process software evaluation during or at the end of the development process to return whether it meets the specified requirements. In general, verification is the process to ensure that we are product development accordingly or not, while validation is a process verify the product we have developed is correct or not. In simple words, that we can say that verification is verify the documents and we can say validation is to validate the actual and expected software output. Activities involved in verification or inspection, review, walkthroughs. Activities involved in validation is testing the software application. Verification is a low-level activity. Validation is a high-level activity. Verification is a static method checking document and files. Validation is a dynamic process of testing the real product. Verification answers am I building a product right? Verification answers am I building the right product? So, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.